Hi and welcome to another video of ryzelpc. Today we're showing you what we consider the best gaming laptop under $1,000. Remember that all the links are down below in the description. Give it a like and subscribe to support us. Thanks, and let's start with the video. The HP Gaming Pavilion 15 is an entire-level gaming laptop with a powerful Intel Core i7 processor and an NVIDIA GeForce GPU with an agile SSD and a great battery life, all wrapped up in a striking, fairly portable design. One thing's for sure, the Pavilion gaming laptop looks different from the competition. It's a black laptop with emerald accents. Opening the laptop shows you a green backlit keyboard with some funky polygon-shaped speakers. But not everything is perfect in the design. The power button is so tiny and slim in size, which makes it awkward to use. The HP Gaming Pavilion 15 weighs 5 pounds and measures 14.2 by 10.1 by 0.9 inches. On the left side of the laptop, there are a USB 3.1 Type A port, a USB 3.9 Type C port, an HDMI port, an Ethernet port, and an SD media card reader. On the right side, you will find an additional two USB 3.1 Type A ports and jacks for the headphones and power. The HP Gaming Pavilion 15 has 15.6 inch. The 1920 by 1080 screen isn't the brightest or the most colorful. Nonetheless, it managed to deliver good image quality. This PC packs an NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1650 GPU with 4 GB of VRAM. At laptop's highest graphical settings, 1080 pixels with ultra settings, in games like Far Cry New Dawn can run 54 to 57 FPS. GTA 5 at 45 FPS, Shadow of the Tomb Raider at 35 FPS, and Fortnite at 40 FPS, but in high quality settings it increases at 70 FPS. For a gaming laptop, the HP Pavilion 15 has a pretty long battery life of up to 6 hours, which is good compared to the competition, lasting about 5 hours or less. What it impresses us the most is how cool this PC can be while gaming. Only if you play for an extended period the fans can start getting loud, but this PC will not burn. In brief, this HP gaming laptop is more than worth it based on its quality price. You will be able to play any game in high quality settings without any problem, and also you can edit or program thanks to the Intel Core i7 processor. So, if what you want is a budget gaming laptop that can run the latest games in the market and be up to do some other things, this gaming laptop is the perfect one. So that's it for today's video. The link to this gaming laptop is in the description. If you want to ask about a PC based on your budget, comment down below and we will help you to find the perfect one. Thank you guys so much for watching. Give it a like and subscribe if it helped you or if you enjoyed it. See you in the next video. Bye!